Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. This is TGFX. So, based on the trades I've been posting on my TikTok account, so when I bought this 8K account, I traded five for 5 days without updating without posting it, you understand. So the one I posted on my TikTok handle, my TikTok account, is just the 5 trading days, because I started after trade for 5 days. I decided to start putting my trades outcome online, just to hold myself accountable. So now let's look at it. You can see I started posting this account February 9, which is this. Oh, my passport. February 9. So you can see this is one of the trade I took. It was a loss, which is minus $60. I took the second trade February 10, on the 10th of February, which happened to be happened to close in profit. I think I closed this account out because the market almost hit my target and pulled back. So I closed at $130. Then this is the next trade. I closed this one day three in profit, almost 1 is to 2, not just, let's say 1 is to 1.8. And this is the next one, February 12th. I took the entry from here. This is the entry, you can see. And I closed out the trade halfway. I was waiting for this trade to move at least up to this point here for me to pass the account. Unfortunately, it kept failing, giving me multiple week rejection, which I tightened my stop loss to this point. So it came down to whip me out with this week here, then later moved to my direction. So I have to trade the next day to pass the account. You can see this trade was just a short distance. I took it this morning, February 13. And see, so when I took the trade, market pushed down. And at this point, I was able to pass my 8K phase 1 account, which is this. So you can see the certificate. I was able to pass the account 2602 on 13. That's February 13. I purchased this account this last month. That's January 30th, on the end of towards the end of last month, January 30th. Yes. So now let's move to the website so you can see the trades I take, my statistics, my just so you can see everything yourself. So I've been giving my 2K, my phase 2 account, which I will be trading from next week. This is my phase 2 account, 13th February 13, 2025, 2026. So this is my 2K account. Um, Now this is my 8K, the one I passed. Let me look for it. Okay, this is my 8K. You can see I've hit the target. Equity is 8,641. So this is the balance. So I've hit the target. I've passed the account. You can see here the road passed. I've passed the account at this point here. I've passed the account. So let's view it to see the statistic. Let's see. Okay. So you can see now this is the trade overview. You can see this is the current balance, current equity, starting balance as at today. So I've passed the account already. So now let's see trading stats. That's the statistics. I took 10 trades. Total lots used. I trade gold and I traded USD card once. So total lot used since trading this phase 1 is 3.55. Average RR 1.45. That's most majority of my RR was less than 1 to 2. Then my win rate was high, 60% win rate. Then that's trading days, 6 to 3 trading days. On good funded, when you trade, they don't count your trade unless you make 0.5% of that your trade. If you can make 0.5% of your balance in a day, that's when good funded counts a trading day for you. So that's what happened. That's why you're seeing 6 trading days and 3 trading days. That's You have to make 3 trading days for you to be qualified to pass an account. Average winning trade was 203.82. If you add all my winnings, then divide it by 10. So this is divided by the total win rates. So you add all the winnings divided by 10, I guess. This will give me the average win rate, which is 203.82. Then average losing trade is one. Total loss divided by 10, I guess, is 140.84, which is not bad. So this is the stats. So now let's check this again. Let's check this. Trading view. So you can see the win rate is 60%, which will not always be stable. It's not static. Win rate fluctuates. I win 6, then I lose 4. Consistency 46.97. So you can see that. Then let's go to the calendars. So on the calendar, you see the trade profits. So these are some of the trade I didn't post. So on the second, I think I started trading on the first. I didn't take trade. First was on Sunday. So on the 2nd of February, I wasn't. My first trade hit profit, which was 266.69.39. Then on the third, I took a loss. My total risk, my risk per trade is 160. So on the fourth, you can see I fucked up here. I took 2 trades. On my plan, I trade once a day. So that day I took 2 trades, psychology issue and emotional everything, blah blah blah. So I took 2 trades and I lost $242. I went straight on a serious drawdown. That was a back-to-back loss. I was on a serious drawdown. Then the next day on the 5th, I came out. I was able to make 301. Then this was on Sunday. This is a mistake. This should be on Monday. Just don't mind them. So on this day, I made 160. On Monday, I made 160 loss. I hit under loss again. So after that one, the following day I made 139, and that day I made 226, 205. Then this is the $80 I made today to pass the account. It should be on the 13th, but because of this error here, so that's why just don't mind the calendar. So this is how you can see. So this is my trade. So I've passed this trade. I will start posting for phase 2 as soon as I start trading phase 2, so we can, see if I'm able to get funded on this account and make withdrawals. So thank you guys. I'll keep posting this. I post this on TikTok, yeah, TikTok and trade. So that's where I post my daily trades. So thank you. So the review, maybe at the end of the week, that's when I do this total review and I put it on either YouTube and put it out for everyone to see. So this is how I trade. And mind you, I don't make 1:2 compulsory. Yeah, I make sure I'm able to manage my risk. And this is funded stage, so I don't do 1% here. I risk 2% per trade. Then if I'm in profit, I go 3%. And if I should take a loss, I come back to 2%. So that's how I trade. And this trade took me 10 trading days to pass. 10 trading days. That's 2 weeks to pass. So thank you guys. This TGFX.